ignorant man. There was a village in a kingdom where a milkman lived. His name is Dinu. He had built his own hut far away from the village in the woods. He loved the quietness of the woods rather than the noisy atmosphere of the village. He lived in his hut with his 2 cows. He fed them well and took proper care of them. Every day, he took his 2 cows to the nearby lake to bath them. The 2 cows gave her milk. With the milk that cows gave, he earned enough money to live happily. Dinu was an honest man. Though he was content, at times he would be restless. There is so much wrong and evil in this world. Is there nobody to guide people? This thought made him sad for every now and then. One evening, the ignorant man was returning home after selling milk in the village. He saw a saint sitting under the tree and meditating. He slowly walked up to him and waited for the saint to open his eyes. After a while, the saint opened his eyes. He was surprised to see a man sitting beside him. "What do you want?" asked the saint humbly. "I want to know what is the path of truth and piety is. Where shall I find honesty?" The saint smiled and said, "Go to the nearby pond and ask the same question to the fish. She will give you the answer." Then, as to do, Dinu went to the nearby pond and asked the same question to the fish. The fish said, "Oh, kind man, please bring me some water to drink." Dinu was surprised. "You live in water, but you still need water to drink? How strange!" "You're right, and that's the answer to your question as well. Truth, piety, and honesty were found inside the heart of the man. But being ignorant searches it for the outer world. Instead of wondering that they are here and there, just look within yourself, you will find the answer." This gave an immense satisfaction to Dinu. From that day, he never felt restless. Thank you.